For this next exercise, we're going to make circular movements with our pelvis, and so our whole spine moves. So you can imagine sitting on a clock. You start making a circular movement from 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. The circular movement starts in the pelvis, with the sitting bones going at 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. And if you feel the exercise, feel free to close your eyes and look if you can synchronize the breath. Inhale 12 o'clock, exhale 6 o'clock. And when you are at 12 o'clock again, circle the other way around. So first to 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Make a circular movement what starts at your sitting bones. And also on this side, if you feel the circular movement, feel free to close your eyes. Take the breath with the exercise. Inhale in front, exhale at the back. Now I'm going to make the circular movement smaller and smaller till I'm in the middle again. My spine is straight. And take a moment to feel your body from the inside out.